What's going on, guys? This is my how to get good at any video game tutorial, including multiplayer, single player, and yeah, we might include a poker tutorial too, how to get good at poker. Yeah, that's like a game too. It's if you didn't know, poker's a game of skill. Some of you may have not know. I'm not sure. Some of you might know that, but just letting you guys know that. Anyways, poker is a game of skill. So basically, what you're gonna do for single player games, you're gonna beat the game over and over again until you're good. Until you're good. That's how you get good. Simple as that. That's about I'm guessing it's about 10 hours worth of raw game time for single player games though. For single player games it might take longer than multiplayer. I'm not sure about that, but don't quote me on that. You'll have to test it out yourself. But it'll be about, for a single player game, 10 to 24 hours worth of raw game time. If not, go more until you're good. Simple as that. But my guess is it's about 10 to 24 hours raw game time. 10 to 24 hours raw game time. If not, go more until you're good. Simple as that. Now that you know that, you're gonna keep playing until you're as good as you wanna be. Simple as that, guys. I scored 11th in the world on Battlefield 4 for most ribbons per round. But I had some help. I played nothing but Operation Locker max tickets, which gives me a boost in stats. But I still got good at the game and scored 11th in the world on Battlefield 4 for most ribbons per round. That's a little something about me. An average score on Battlefield 4 would be like, for me, would be like 100 kills and 5 deaths or something. That's the kind of skill you could have when you get good at it. Works for any game, single player game. So for multiplayer is really compact. Really compact. I think it takes a shorter time for multiplayer to get good at multiplayer. For multiplayer, I'm just gonna say 10 to 24 hours. Also, 10 to 24 hours worth of raw gameplay. Only you'll probably get good faster though. Like it won't be as long because it's really compact. If you might know that, you might think about it and say, yeah, that's true. Actually, it's really compact multiplayer. Any multiplayer game, 10 to 24 hours worth of raw game time. If that doesn't do it, go until you're good. Simple as that. That's my tutorial. I actually tell you the hours to how many hours to play, and I tell you to play hours basically. So basically, yeah, 10 to 24 hours worth of raw gameplay. And then, if that doesn't work, play until you're good. Play until you're good. Simple as that. Test it out yourself. You'll see I'm not lying. And then also, after that, continue playing until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. It's pretty simple. Now that you know that, I got a little tip for you. I remember I played a lot of Black Ops 2 Zombies. I was a Black Ops 2 Zombies player. I had the Skull and Shotties. And I didn't get good at the game. But I got the Skull and Shotties by learning the in and outs of the game. I would be able to survive high rounds and stuff, and then after a while, I found out how to Get the skull and shot, the knife symbol, and the skull and shot, then the skull and shotty symbol. So I end up getting those. And on Black Ops 2, I never got good, but I remember I went back and I bought the game again, and then I played it. I was playing single player zombies, and I remember if you play once, I know for a fact if you play one stage at a time, if you just play a single stage for the amount of hours I told you, you're guaranteed to get good. Plus, remember, play until you're good if it doesn't work. And then keep playing until you're as good as you want to be. If you just play one stage, I know it works for a fact if you just play that one stage. As for switching stages, I'm not sure if it'll take longer or if it's just the same thing. I'm not sure. You'll have to test that out yourself if you're playing that game. Works for any game. Any kind of game. So for poker, if you're looking to get good at poker, poker player, you're gonna get 12. Some of you might, you're gonna get 12 to. I wanna up the hours for poker though. So you're gonna get 12 to 40 hours worth of raw poker time. 12 to 40 hours worth of raw poker time. It might be less than that. It might be more than that. But I don't know. You'll have to test it out yourself. 12 to, let's just say 10 to, I want to say 12 guys. 12 to 40 hours worth of raw poker time and you'll be good. If that doesn't work, play raw poker until you're good. Raw poker until you're good. And then continue playing until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. You can go to the World Championships if you wanted to. You just got to put in the time. Put in the time. I recommend playing on Facebook, Zynga Poker. Zynga Texas Hold'em. It was one of the most popular. I'm not sure how it is today. It's still pretty good. I tried it not that long ago. It's still pretty popular, and a lot of people are still playing it. You get good games and stuff. But I recommend playing on there or Poker Stars. I recommend playing on Poker Stars I recommend playing with Play Money on Poker Stars. It doesn't cost much. You can get a lot of poker chips on both Zynga and Poker Stars for cheap. A lot of poker chips for cheap. Play chips, basically. And you can practice like that. Anyway, my tutorial also, if there is such a thing as Pro Blackjack, the tutorial is the same thing. I have another thing for you too. Remember, it works for any game. You could implement it into board games if you want. Also, you could get good at any skill like this. Any skill. Take the skill practice, like practice the skill practice. If you actually have to do the actual thing, like for example, if you're a hacky player or a hockey player, you're just gonna play hockey or hacky until you're good. You're just gonna do the practice, skate, whatever the practice is. Playing games of hockey, whatever. Doing hacky. If you have a hacky sack, I don't know if you guys know what hacky is. If you know what a hacky sack is, but you just play hacky over and over again until you're good. You play by yourself. If you're doing hockey, I don't know the practice, but my plan was to just do stick work, shots on the net, and skating. I don't know. Just do the practice, play the actual game, I guess you would say. Play the actual thing. Do the actual thing until you're good, over and over again until you're good. Simple as that. It shouldn't take that long. It should only take 3 to 10 hours or something. That's the truth. It doesn't take much. But if that doesn't work, just go until you're good. You'll see I'm not lying. Any skill, basically, any skill. Sorry about the hockey thing, guys. Just forget I said anything about hockey. That's a little kind of deadly for me. A little deadly. No hockey, guys. Just forget I said anything about hockey. But any skill you can get good at. Any skill like this. Whatever requires skill, whatever skill you want. Just do the practice over and over again. Just do the actual thing over and over again until you're good. It shouldn't even take you long. 3 to 10 hours worth of raw time. If not, just keep going until you're good. Simple as that. And then keep going until you're as good as you want to be. It's simple as that, guys. That's my big tutorial for today. That's my big tutorial for today. I thought I'd let you guys know that. That's it for today, guys. That's my tutorial here by Purple Crayola, me. Alright, that's it for the video, guys. See you guys next time.